Today, we're tackling a sensitive but important topic: fixing weak erections, even if you have diabetes or insulin resistance. If you've been struggling in this area, I want you to know that you're not alone, and there's a lot we can do to help. Let's break this down in simple terms and get to the root of the problem, with science and proven solutions. Welcome to Health I Seek. If you are concerned about maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you are in the right place. Kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative weekly videos, where we explore the latest health tips and research. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and not a substitute for medical care. Always consult your doctor before making any health decisions or changes. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about why diabetes or insulin resistance can cause weak erections. Erections rely on three key things: healthy blood vessels, proper nerve function, and balanced hormones, especially testosterone. Diabetes directly impacts all three. High blood sugar damages the lining of your blood vessels, reducing their ability to relax and allow blood to flow into the penis. This is known as endothelial dysfunction. It also affects the nerves that send signals to start an erection. Add insulin resistance to the mix, and it can lower testosterone levels, making it even harder to maintain sexual health. Studies, like one from the Journal of Sexual Medicine, show that men with diabetes are significantly more likely to experience erectile dysfunction. But don't lose hope. There are ways to fix this. So, what can we do to tackle the problem? Here are science-backed strategies. 1. Manage blood sugar levels. Controlling your blood sugar is the cornerstone of improving erectile function. Research in diabetes care found that men with lower HbA1c levels had significantly better erections over time. Focus on a low glycemic diet. Think whole foods, leafy greens, healthy fats, and lean protein. Avoid sugary foods and processed carbs that spike your blood sugar. 2. Stay active by exercising regularly. Exercise is a powerful tool. It boosts circulation, improves insulin sensitivity, and increases testosterone. A study in the British Journal of Sports Medicine highlighted that 30 minutes of moderate exercise, like brisk walking or cycling, can significantly improve erectile function over time. 3. Review your medications. Here's an often overlooked factor: medications. Some common drugs for diabetes or related conditions can worsen erectile dysfunction. For instance, beta blockers like propranolol and metoprolol for high blood pressure may reduce blood flow to the penis. Certain diuretics can interfere with blood flow and testosterone production. SSRIs antidepressants like fluoxetine are also known to cause sexual side effects. If you're on any of these medications, speak with your doctor about possible alternatives. 4. Support testosterone levels. Low testosterone is common in men with diabetes but can be addressed. Consider resistance training, getting enough zinc and magnesium in your diet, and discussing potential testosterone replacement therapy with your doctor if needed. 5. Supplements and medications. Natural supplements like L-arginine and citrulline can improve blood flow by boosting nitric oxide production. Medications like sildenafil, Viagra, or tadalafil Cialis are also effective, but should only be used under medical guidance. Finally, let's address the mental side. Stress, anxiety, and self-doubt can make the problem worse. Practices like mindfulness, yoga, or therapy can be game changers for your confidence and overall health. To sum up, weak erections due to diabetes or insulin resistance are fixable. Focus on managing your blood sugar, staying active, addressing medication side effects, and supporting testosterone. And remember, you're not alone in this. There's help available. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.